The height of the storm, you could just see how powerful those big waves were, churned up by the force of this. This was Manamet Beach in Plymouth, where we got a very impressive view earlier today. Those swells then crashed onto roadways in many coastal communities and forced people out of their homes in Scituate. In this video, some look like they're out in the middle of the ocean with debris moving by. Juli McDonald is live in Scituate tonight with more on the flooding there. Juli?
Well, Lisa, of course, the plunging temperatures that we're expecting are a concern all across the state, but also especially these coastal communities like Scituate, because it's not just snow they're trying to clear from the roads before the deep freeze, but water left over when the tide went out.
Mother Nature's going to do its thing, and all we can do is go back and try to correct it after.
Salty floodwaters sloshed around Scituate roads throughout the day Thursday, and as the storm subsided, a closer look at the mess and potential danger left behind.
And we're going to get down there and get everything off the road because the temperature's going to really drop tonight. If we don't get it tonight, it's going to freeze, and we're never going to get it up.
But long before crews could clear the roads, the priority was clearing the neighborhoods of the dozens who needed help.
It was crazy. I flagged them down. I said, I smell gas in my house, and they're like, you can't stay. And they stopped and picked us up and brought us to the shelter, thank God.
We went out there with high rescue vehicles. The National Guard's been in town. The police have 2 vehicles as well. So we've actually been out there in those vehicles doing rescues.
Many neighbors rode out the storm at the high school emergency shelter, warm, safe, and resting for the cleanup to come.
We're resilient, Good old New Englanders, we dig in and we get the job done and we'll survive. It's not like this is the first rodeo for most of us.
And despite a couple issues in older or in progress parts of the seawall, the new section that they've really been focused on, town leaders say it did its job preventing what could have been so much worse. We're live in Scituate tonight. I'm Juli McDonald, WBZ News.
Juli, thank you. And how